In this video, we will guide you through how to create a glow effect in Blender using simple workflow. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. Let's get started. First, open Blender and add an object that you want to add glow to. So let's say I want to add a glow to a simple cube. So I'll just add a cube just like so and set the cube to 1 in the Z axis just like so. And once you have done that, we need to set up the glow effect using the compositor. So just go ahead and expand this just like so and click on this particular drop down and make sure it is set to compositor just like so. And just click on the plus icon to add a node. Now here, just press Shift and A key on your keyboard, and now in the search bar, just go ahead and search for glare. And once you have got your glare, just go ahead and place it in the middle of render layer and output, just like so. And once you have done that, just go to the output properties and make sure the render engine is set to EV, because EV supports real-time glow effects efficiently. Now just go to the rendered view just like so and click on the drop down and make sure the compositor is set to always. And once you have done that, just go ahead and close it. Now just go ahead and expand this compositor node so we have two screens just like so. And after that, just go to this icon and make sure to set it to shader editor. And after that, just go ahead and click on the plus icon to add a principal BSDF. And now we are going to create the glow. Find the emission and here you can set the strength. So just increase the strength just like so, and now you will see the object is now successfully glowing. You can increase the strength to your liking just like so, and you can even choose the color. So let's say I want to go with this particular color just like so, and once that you have done that, you can just go ahead and click off to apply. And now in the compositor mode, you can just go to the glare and just click on the drop down for streaks and set it to bloom. You can also set it to ghost, and basically you can set it to anything that you like. And once that you have done that, you can just go ahead and switch the render engine to even cycles also, although EV gives a faster real-time preview. And that's it. That's how you create a glow effect in Blender using emission material and compositor bloom.